Hi, today I'm for the HardReset 6 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. Here we'll see information about our battery temperature, so in my case that's 30 and 8 degrees. And also I got here more information like the battery level, health, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.